Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're on the New River down here in southern West Virginia, and we're working on this little travel trailer behind me here. We got several things to do. I don't know how much of it I'll video. First thing we're going to do is we got a LP leak. Let's go address that real quick, and we'll move on, or maybe I'll move on and y'all won't. I don't know, but let's get started. Customer says it's leaking right here. Let's see. Yeah, you think? Don't have to go looking for the leak. So I'm going to switch out the LP regulator. It's a double regulator, and she supplied 2 new hoses, and we're going to install them also. Oh, we'll start by getting the rubber hose off the bottom of the regulator. We will do that by finding the appropriate size wrenches. Y'all been around my channel very long, y'all know one of my pet peeves is people think the only wrench they have is a adjustable wrench. Where y'all looking? Y'all look down here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's move to the back of the truck. Yeah, there's a piece missing off the top of that regulator. Should be a plastic cap there. We need to reuse this bracket. So let's see if we can get them screws loose. Sometimes they're not too bad, and sometimes they're impossible. Let's see what we got today. Oh, not too bad on that one. Oh, that one may be a different story. That one screw is being difficult. I'm going to use this impact driver. These things are pretty cool. We've been using these things since back in the day when we was working on our old motorcycles. This thing clamped them old rusty vise. Got time to oil that thing. Yeah, when you impact this with a hammer, it not only drives the driver down into the screw, but it twists the screw at the same time. Just like so. Pretty handy dandy little item. Now I'll see if our bracket will fit our new regulator. That one is garbage. That's That's the fancy way of saying it ain't no good no more. We'll change the fitting in the bottom, and then hopefully they got the right hoses, and these fittings are already installed, and we'll just put the new hoses in. Let's see here. Move y'all right there. Angle you down. Let's see if the spacing's the same. Oh yeah. Every now and then, every now and then stuff don't fit. Every now and then. Where'd my other spacer go? Okay. What y'all do with my spacer? Alright, y'all quit playing tricks on me now. What y'all do with my spacer? Really? Oh. I had it there just a second ago. I didn't drop it. Oh well. That one don't get a spacer. What happened to that thing? This camper's set up permanent down here on this river lot. It will probably never move again. But we got one good screw in it. Let's see. We have to get this fitting off the bottom of this regulator and reuse it. Let's get this little plastic doodad out of the way. And now I am not totally anti-adjustable wrench, but they got their places. And everything is not their place. So I'm going to use that to hold this regulator while I twist this fitting out. Wasn't very tight. Man, bunch of garbage fell out of that. I'm gonna use a little wire brush, clean these threads up, put some new liquid Teflon. Boy, this thing was full of oil. Look at that. Yuck. So let me get that cleaned up, put some Teflon on it, spin her back in there, tighten it up, and then we'll be right back. Alright, cleaned that fitting up a little bit. So they had Teflon tape around that JIC end. That's crazy. I don't know why people want to do that. You put sealer on pipe threads, not on a JIC fitting. But everybody wants to do it. Put a little liquid Teflon on down here. Get it all over us from head to toe. Ruin our clothes. That's usually what I do. As you get liquid Teflon on navy blue clothes, it's never coming off. Never going away. Not if you wear them clothes for 10 years. Still gonna have that stain on them. Now let's get this snuggled up really good. Perfect enough. Now let's check out the hoses that the new supply hoses the customer supplied. She got the right ones. A little short. I would have done probably 12 inch. I would have done 15. Yeah, 12 inch. I'll almost always do 15s. They seem like they just don't put as much strain on everything. Sometimes 15-inch hose, you have a little bit of trouble getting them to go, getting your plastic cover to slide back on your tanks, your tank cover. But these will be fine. They'll be just fine. Cool day here in southern West Virginia, middle of June, June the 10th. And it's not supposed to be 70 today. I think 69 is our high for today. That's alright, I'll take it. That's better than it being 99. Hillbilly don't do good in the heat. No, don't like the heat. That's why I could never live. I can never live in Oklahoma where my brother does. Too hot out there. Florida, ain't no way. Florida's awesome in the wintertime, but it is not awesome in the summertime. Get 2 appropriate size wrenches, snug them up with no sealer. Those are JIC also. We don't put no sealer on them. Okay. Let's go reinstall it. Then we'll leak test it. Alright. Just need to reattach the regulator to this rubber line down here. Get it started straight. There we are. Regulator turned the right direction. Snug it up. Slip it back on the rod. Oh, you know what? Them 12 inches are just fine on this one. Probably a good thing they're not 15s. Before I cut the gas on, I'm just going to run inside and make sure that none of the eyes are on the stove. Turn the gas on and should leak a whole lot less. Oh yeah, it's a lot less already. Get our old soapy water and hose her down real good. Alright, y'all see any bubbles? Me either. Well, there you go. They're switching out a leaky LP regulator. Go in and light the stove now and make sure the eyes look good, flames nice and blue. And then we'll move on to something else. Oh, battery on my camera's about to die. I see it flashing now. So yeah, we'll I don't know what else I'm gonna tape today, but if I don't tape anything else, y'all have a great day and we'll catch you next time. I gotta do change the battery. I'm always changing batteries. Everything got batteries. Everything